Okay, well, debris burning season is officially open. And I got me some debris.
Give her that
Look at that, man.
She goes, hi, good morning. I would have loved
This
to
puppy
have
gonna
coffee
burn
with you
for a
ladies
long
this
time.
morning, but I'm already up and at it,
There's
so
some
I'm
like
gonna have
logs
a
in
little
there.
this morning. Your
I
friend
got
can
a
redeem
second
herself
one
next
over
time.
there, but I'm not gonna burn it today. Just one in a day.
She visits, but I assure you there's nothing to redeem. It's all good.
The heat is on. It's on the street. The heat is on. The heat is on. Down, 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 down. Well, you all saw what it was, and this is what it has become. It's about 2.5, 3 hours later. The wood was extremely dry, so it didn't waste any time. And anyway, she's just gonna burn on down. We're gonna keep raking it in and try to get every bit of coals completely burnt to ash. That's what we want. We want to burn to the ash. Anyway, sorry you had to miss that big bonfire, but hey, I got another one over here. And I'll be firing it up, I don't know when, next couple of days. Yeehaw-a's. Cleaning up the prop. Catch me a while ago. Okay, I lied. I did check out once, but this is 9 hours from the inception. And it's dark out here now. It's nighttime, baby. And look at that. I still got a bed of coals. 9 freaking hours. I mean, that baby took a long time to burn. There's still some warmth out here, no doubt about it. But anyway, she's all over now, basically. Well, she's pretty close. And we got another big pile. Gotta burn that puppy. 9 hours later. Okay, that's it, folks. I can't tell you how small this is, but it's nothing compared to when we started. Catching you a while ago.